Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna guide you on how to use ChatGPT for learning language. So in order to use ChatGPT for learning language, you need to follow these steps. Now, first thing first, ChatGPT has evolved into a highly effective tool for language acquisitions, offering on everything from immersive voice chat conversation to personalizing grammar tutor as well. So open up ChatGPT and use a voice mod on the mobile app or a desktop, allowing you to practice speaking without the pressure of human partner. You could roleplay scenarios like ask ChatGPT to act as a specific person in a setting, such as waiter in a French cafe, or doctor in Germany, or interviewer for a job. You can set a rule where you speak in your target language and ChatGPT responds in your native language to help with listening comprehensive before you are ready to speak fully. And ask ChatGPT to be critic for pronunciations after a voice exchange, while it primarily analyzes text near multi-models and can provide feedback on your spoken output. So this way you should be able to use ChatGPT for learning language. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.